Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the rear window switch on Mercedes E-Class. We're talking about that body style, okay, right here. So if yours needs to be replaced, okay, window switch right there on the rear doors, we'll show you guys how to do that. Stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it now. Alright guys, we recommend to disconnect the battery at least 1 hour before the repair because you're close to a side airbag right there. You don't want that thing to go off in your face, but just be careful with it. Okay, now we need to remove, okay, that screw right there, and we actually need to get the right one. We need a T20 for that, Torx 20. Okay, right there, and we can pull that plastic cover off, okay. Next, we need to remove, there is a bolt under that airbag cover. Just be careful how you pry this one because they're fragile, especially if they've been exposed to a lot of sunshine, hot climate. Okay, this one is with T30, so we went ahead and removed that one as well. We'll probably need to get pliers, okay, to get the bolt out, but it's fine, we'll just leave it there for now, it's not gonna bother anything. Next we need to remove that cover there. Okay, we just pulled it out. We have two bolts now there with the same T30. Okay, those are out. Next you need to unscrew that thing. Okay, remove it all the way. Okay, it's almost out. Perfect. And now we need to start prying the door panel open. Okay, there is clips, quite a few clips. You come this way and then you need to go straight up. Okay, and a good advice will be to probably buy extra clips before you start the repair. We have the links on our website for the products we use because, to be honest with you, sometimes those break and you have to replace them after that. Okay, we forgot to mention there is actually a few extra things we need to do under the ashtray. Okay, you need to open it guys and then you need to pry it. Okay, there is a couple clips there. And those are fragile, it's really scary removing those things, to be honest with you. You have to take your time. Okay, those are the two clips, okay, right here. So you can pull it out, okay, and now that's where the bolt is. Okay, another T30. So let's remove this one quick. Okay, perfect. So now we'll be able to pull the door panel out of there. Okay, you can see now this thing will come out, so we need to make sure you feed it when you're ready to install it. So now let's disconnect the wire. Okay, let me show you how that thing works. That's the locking cable. You need to pull, okay, this way, pull it up, and then you need to disconnect it in an angle like that. All we have left now is a couple wires here that go to the door computer. Okay, just we believe one more holding. Okay, down there. So those, you pull them out, they get stuck sometimes. There is one little tooth. We need to get a very small screwdriver and pry a little bit right here. Okay, that's for the tweeter. Okay, we got the panel out of the way, so now let me show you where all the clips are guys, so you know what to expect. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We broke only one of them, and it looks like it was broken in the past. Whenever somebody pushed the panel, they didn't get the clip in the hole and it broke the clip, but that's fine. If you have only one broken, it shouldn't be a problem. You won't have any rattle or anything like that. So the window switch now, okay, we'll need to remove that carpeting here, okay, out of the way, and it's right here. So there is only on those only one screw that holds, okay, it's only this screw right here that we need to remove with Torx 10, T10. Okay, and you have to be very careful how you pull that insulation from the wires, because those wires are very fragile and you don't want to break anything. Alright guys, so we're going to use one of those little bits, okay, and the pliers to get the screw loose, because it's almost impossible to get any tool in there. I don't know how they designed that thing, but probably there is a special tool for that, I believe. But once you get it loose like that, it's gonna take you a while, probably 5 minutes, but you'll be able to do it. Okay, and after that you can do it by hand. Okay, the screw is about to come out. Okay, you can see not there anymore. So now we need to disconnect the wire by pressing in there. Okay, right here. We need to press in with a screwdriver, because it's very limited room there, and pull out. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, this thing right here, you need to push in and then you pull the wire out. Now this is the switch, guys. Okay, and you can just grab it right here, okay, and pull it out. Well, that one wasn't working anyways, I guess. Okay, so that's it. That's how you guys remove it. When you install it, all you have to do, push it back in, install the screw, the wires, and put everything back together. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and help us grow that channel together.